Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Hinge hidden words filter. So let's get started with the video. So there are two ways in which you can do that. First, you need to click on the profile icon that you will see at the lower right corner. Here then you need to go to the safety option that you will see at the second. And after that you need to click on comment filter. The next way to find this is you can click on the setting icon at the upper right side, and here you will again find the comment filter. You need to click on that. So basically you need to enable this auto filter option, so it will automatically filter the disrespectful comments with incoming likes. You can add a word over here which you think that this word should get filtered and hidden. For example, I'm adding one like this. You can add another filter. So whoever these are the hidden words, so whoever comment on that, you can see that basically on the hidden like section, and you can click on that and you can see here the hidden words. So this is how you can use the Hinge hidden words filter. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.